Tomorrow, the Federal Reserve will decide what to do about interest rates. Polymarket users predict a 98.6% chance that there will be no change. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And again, this is why I've been talking so much about the FOMC meeting, which of course is taking place tomorrow. And yeah, you can really see, and I do believe if there is no change, it might see the market kind of reacting to that. And speaking about the market reacting, you can kind of already see that, broader market still red. Yes, over the last 1 hour, we are seeing a little bit of green across the market, but I think we need to still, be very cautious and, be taking a look at what's happening with Bitcoin as well as, the dominance index. The dominance index is at scary levels. And again, I'm going to talk about what I mean, but, XRP holders, if you are, coming to this channel for the first time, what are you guys doing? Hit that smash. Wow. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and of course, come join the Crypto ZX army. I love each and every one of you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing with all the support that you're showing. But let's briefly take a look at what's happening with the price. The price of XRP is still in green. $3.08 up 1.3% in USD, up 1% in Bitcoin comparative. Market valuation $176.9 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $8.3 billion. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So major bombshell has been dropped by Brad Garlinghouse, and we're going to kind of talk about this and what this really means. Yeah, so if you're looking at this, you can see Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse revealed he discussed with President Trump making XRP a strategic reserve asset for the U.S. He stressed that U.S. reserves could include a variety of cryptocurrencies, not just Bitcoin, to support American crypto companies. And I know without a doubt that, Bitcoin maximalists are not going to be happy about this. And, Bitcoin maximalists have been kind of, giving XRP a little bit of a hard time because of these reserve conversations that are taking place. But, here it is, guys. Look at this, and I'm not going to play this recording, but you could see in Twitter live, you could see Brad Garlinghouse on XRP being a U.S. strategic reserve asset. I have spoken directly with the president of some of these things, and it is very clear to me that the president understands the technology. He wants to be the crypto president of the U.S. And again, speaking about him being the crypto president of the U.S., and I'm sure no one's really denying that fact because, this guy has come into the office, and before he came into the office, he was pretty much advocating crypto and how he wants the U.S. to be the global hub, of crypto innovation. And as he comes into the office, two things that he signed executive orders, as well as, of course, we are seeing, these conversations taking place. So very interesting things. Like I said, Bitcoin maximalists not too happy about this. I'm sure XRP maximalists are extremely happy about this. But let's see what happens. Brad Garlinghouse was quite clear upon, what his thoughts are. He's not, bashing anything. He holds pretty much everything. But yeah, let's see what happens. I still do believe, and again, I'm a big XRP believer based off of my personal opinion. I think, in terms of an innovation standpoint and, taking, blockchain technology to the global levels, it's definitely showing us that it's not playing around, especially with, some crazy partnerships today. Ondo partnership with Ripple, again, speaks for itself, but, we really need to really understand that, Bitcoin is the king of the market. I know some of the XRP maximalists don't like hearing that, but I want you guys to realize, Bitcoin is the king of the market, and I think this is going to be quite interesting to see how that goes. But do let me know in the comments what your personal thoughts are on this. So you can see this for yourself. Ripple and Ondo Finance are bringing OUSG tokenized US Treasuries to the XRP ledger. So you can see Smoke says, you're all underestimating, the power of 24/7 transfers between tokenized treasuries and dollars. And you can see, money market for upgrade. Most money market funds are open 5 days a week and available nationally. Digital business operations globally lose billions to those delays. The Build token and the competitors like Ondo are available 24/7, between treasuries and stable coins. And again, if you understand, what this means, you can really realize, how big of a problem this solves. And, tokenization, I think, is going to be at the forefront in the next, few years to come. And, the likes of Larry Fink and all these big players are, focusing on tokenization and understanding how it is going to revolutionize for the financial industry, and I could not be more excited as to what's going to happen. But big stuff. Do let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. And based off of this live announcement from Brad Grillinghouse, this has really sparked a lot of interest, of course, in XRP. While the broader market is seeing a retracement, you're still seeing XRP holding really nicely. Dominance, as far as that is concerned, I did indicate this to you guys before. It's literally on the verge of breaking out again. And we could actually see a yearly high if Bitcoin does retrace. So, speaking about Bitcoin, it is sitting at about $101,800, as you can see this for yourself, holding at some very critical support levels. Of course, the price is trying to break out actually, but even though, we have seen a little bit of a bounce, I think, we shouldn't be getting too ahead of ourselves. Really want to be focusing what the FOMC meeting entails and, what kind of impact that can have on the crypto markets. Over the past few FOMC meetings, I've stated this to you guys before, we have seen major, pullbacks for the market. And speaking about major pullbacks, right now we are, already seeing the market pretty retrace quite a bit. You can see the last 7 days, double-digit drop for multiple, assets across the board. So definitely a major, downside. And honestly, like I said, next few hours, very, very important. But let's take a look at XRP here. XRP is holding really nicely. And, speaking about XRP, it made its way up to $3.21 yesterday, and we spoke about that. And since then, retraced back down to the $3 support level. Very, very critical support, as we know. And that support really came in our way to be an extensive support line. And since then, we have seen a little bit of a bounce in XRP, and it's about to close the daily candle around this range. This resistance is very important. If it's able to break out of here, I don't even doubt that the price of XRP could reclaim the likes of that $3.10 or even the $3.20 price point quite fast. But of course, obviously, if market retraces down tomorrow and we do lose the $3 price point, this could really cause us to fall down back to those January 20th levels, again depending on what BTC does in the next few hours. So let me know your thoughts down below regarding this. But as far as the bigger picture of XRP is concerned, still in the 23.6 fib zone. We are seeing this recovery speaks for itself as to how much interest there really is in XRP. And I do believe the all-time highs are not as far as you guys might think, but in the short term, a little bit of choppy levels could be in play. But do let me know your thoughts down below regarding this whole situation and what your personal thoughts are. And if you have not subscribed already, what are you guys waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button, come join the Crypto ZX army, and we'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.